Welcome to today's episode, Masterpiece Unveiled, exploring the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto in detail. In this video, we'll delve into the stunning details of this luxurious car. Luxo-Lovers, by watching this video, you'll gain insight into the remarkable design, innovative technology, and exhilarating performance of the Lamborghini Revuelto. We'll uncover everything you need to know about this automotive masterpiece, so don't miss out. Give love to Luxo-Life and let's dive into the world of luxury and performance with a Lamborghini Revuelto. Before we start, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Lamborghini, known for its iconic supercars, has a rich history that dates back decades. From the legendary Miura to the groundbreaking Aventador, each model has left its mark on the automotive world. Now, as Lamborghini approaches its 60th anniversary, the unveiling of the Revuelto marks a new chapter in the brand's legacy. As anticipation builds for the release of the Revuelto, enthusiasts and car lovers alike are buzzing with excitement. The prospect of a new Lamborghini model always generates a wave of anticipation, but the Revuelto takes it to another level. With its promise of unparalleled performance and cutting-edge technology, the Revuelto has captured the imagination of automotive enthusiasts around the world. Who would not be fascinated in its exterior designs? The Revuelto continues Lamborghini's tradition of breathtaking design, but with a modern twist. Over the years, Lamborghini has evolved its design language, maintained iconic features while embracing new advancements in automotive aesthetics. The Revuelto's exterior is a testament to this evolution, blending classic Lamborghini proportions with futuristic elements that hint at what's to come. Taking a closer look at the Revuelto's exterior, we see a symphony of sleek lines, bold curves, and aerodynamic shapes. The silhouette of the car is unmistakably Lamborghini, with its low profile and aggressive stance. But it's the intricate details that set the Revuelto apart, from its sculpted lines to its smooth negative radiuses. Each element is meticulously designed not only to catch the eye but also enhance performance on the road. When comparing the Revuelto to previous Lamborghini models, we can see how the brand has continued to innovate while staying true to its heritage. While paying homage to its predecessors, the Revuelto incorporates futuristic design cues that push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design. It's a blend of the past, present, and future, creating a truly unique aesthetic that captures the imagination of all who behold it. Of course, the interior experience of a Lamborghini is just as thrilling as its exterior. The Revuelto embraces the feel-like a pilot concept, immersing the driver in a cockpit designed for ultimate performance and comfort. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a driver-centric layout that puts everything within reach. From the ergonomic seats to the strategically placed controls, every aspect of the interior is designed to enhance the driving experience. But it's not just about functionality. The Revuelto also boasts state-of-the-art technology that seamlessly integrates into the interior space. Touchscreen displays, advanced infotainment systems, and connectivity features keep you connected and entertained on the road. Whether you're navigating through city streets or tearing up the track, the Revuelto ensures you're always in control and connected to the world around you. In addition to its technological prowess, the Revuelto also pays careful attention to detail and craftsmanship in its materials and finishes. Luxurious leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and precision-crafted controls create a sensory experience like no other. Every surface is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of luxury and refinement, elevating the overall driving experience to new heights. Now, when it comes to powertrain innovation, the Revuelto is truly in a league of its own. Let's dive into what makes it so special. First, let's talk about its hybrid powertrain. This means it doesn't rely solely on a traditional gasoline engine but combines the power of internal combustion with electric motors. It's like having the best of both worlds under the hood, resulting in an impressive total power output. With this hybrid setup, the Revuelto boasts not only increased power but also improved efficiency. The electric motors work in harmony with a combustion engine to deliver seamless acceleration and enhanced performance. Plus, the hybrid system allows for regenerative braking, meaning it can capture energy during braking and store it for later use, further boosting efficiency on the road. But that's not all. The Revuelto also features a groundbreaking transversal dual-clutch e-gearbox. This advanced gearbox ensures lightning-fast gear changes, maximizing power delivery and enhancing driving dynamics. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing up the track, the e-gearbox provides precise and responsive shifts, putting you in complete control of the driving experience. Sensory experience is a big part of driving, and the Lamborghini Revuelto delivers an unforgettable one. Let's start with the sound. Picture yourself behind the wheel, ready to hit the road. As you fire up the engine, you're greeted by the powerful roar of the V12, a signature sound that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. But here's the twist. This isn't just any engine. It's a hybrid engine seamlessly blending the V12's roar with a smooth hum of electric propulsion. It's like listening to a symphony of power and technology, creating an audio experience that's truly exhilarating. Now let's talk about the feeling of acceleration and speed. As you press down on the pedal, you can feel the raw power of the Revuelto propelling you forward. It's an immersive sensation, as if you're being pushed back into your seat by a force of nature. And thanks to the hybrid technology, this acceleration is not only thrilling but also incredibly responsive. The combination of traditional combustion power and electric propulsion creates a seamless fusion of old-school muscle and modern efficiency, giving you the best of both worlds as you tear down the open road. But the sensory experience doesn't just stop there. The impact of hybridization goes beyond just sound and acceleration. It also enhances the driving dynamics of the Revuelto. With instant torque from the electric motors and precise power delivery from the V12, the Revuelto offers unmatched responsiveness and agility on the road. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising at high speeds, you'll feel confident and in control behind the wheel. And that, my friends, is the true essence of driving pleasure. The connected technologies in the Revuelto are like having a personal assistant right in your car. Let's look at what they have to offer. First, there's a suite of cutting-edge features integrated seamlessly into the Revuelto's dashboard. From touchscreen displays to voice-activated controls, everything is designed to keep you connected and engaged on the road. Now let's talk about how these technologies enhance the driving experience. Imagine being able to control your car's climate, navigation, and entertainment systems with just the touch of a button or a simple voice command. It's not just about convenience, it's about staying focused on the road while still having access to everything you need to make your journey enjoyable and safe. But how does the Revuelto's connected technology stack up against other Lamborghini models? Well, let's just say it sets a new standard for connectivity in the world of luxury sports cars. while other models like the Urus or the Huracan offer their own suite of connected features. The Revuelto takes it to the next level with its advanced interface and intuitive controls. It's like having the latest smartphone technology at your fingertips, but built right into your car. When it comes to technological specs, the Revuelto doesn't hold back. First up, we have the basics: displacement, power output, and top speed. The Revuelto boasts an impressive 6,498.5 cm3 displacement, delivering a total power output of 1,015 CV. And when it comes to top speed, well, let's just say it's over 350 km per hour. That's enough to get your heart racing just thinking about it. Now let's talk performance. When it comes to acceleration, the Revuelto doesn't disappoint. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the road. But what about fuel economy and efficiency? Surprisingly, the Revuelto manages to strike a balance between power and efficiency, achieving a combined fuel economy of 12 mpg in gasoline mode and 23 mpge in electric mode. This means you can have your thrills without breaking the bank at the pump. But what really sets the Revuelto apart are the engineering feats and innovations that enable such remarkable performance metrics. From its carbon fiber monocoque to its advanced powertrain technology, every aspect of the Revuelto is designed to maximize performance while minimizing weight and emissions. It's a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and creating cars that are as exhilarating to drive as they are awe-inspiring to behold. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed diving into the details of the Lamborghini Revuelto with us. If you liked what you saw today, please support by giving us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the Revuelto in the comments below, so don't hesitate to share. And if you know someone who could enjoy this video, be sure to pass it along. If you're new to Luxo-Life, subscribe and stay updated on all our latest content. Just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thanks for tuning in, Luxo-Lovers. See you next time.